In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers for WhatsApp and iMessage on your iPhone. Whether you want to add a fun twist to your messages or just enjoy personalizing your digital communication, creating custom stickers is an entertaining and straightforward process that you can master in just 5 minutes. To get started, we'll begin by creating stickers directly on your iPhone using your Photos app. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Photos app. Within your gallery, take a moment to browse through your pictures and select a photo that has a clear subject, such as a person, a pet, or an object that really stands out. This makes it easier for your phone to identify and isolate the subject, which is essential for the next step. Once you've found the perfect picture, tap and hold on the subject in the photo. Now, you'll notice a glow outline appears around the subject, indicating that it's ready to be turned into a sticker. When you see this, a pop-up menu will appear with an option labeled Add Sticker. Go ahead and tap that option. Congratulations, your unique sticker is now saved to your sticker drawer in iMessage, ready for you to use whenever you want to add a splash of personality to your messages. Next up, let's explore how to use these custom stickers in iMessage. Start by opening your Messages app and navigate to any conversation of your choice. You'll see a plus icon next to your text field. Tap on this icon and select Stickers from the menu that appears. Here's where the fun begins. Within this section, you'll find your custom stickers ready to be used. To add one to your conversation, simply hold and drag your sticker onto any message bubble. By doing so, you can use it like a reaction that sticks right onto the text, adding a creative flair to your chat. And there you have it. With this method, you can make personal communication even more special. Creating and using custom stickers is a delightful way to express yourself and make your messages stand out. Give it a try with different subjects and see just how versatile and fun your new stickers can be. Remember, now that your stickers are saved, they're at your disposal whenever you need that extra dash of creativity in your conversations. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to make your messaging experience more enjoyable and personal. Be sure to practice with different photos and explore other creative possibilities using your iPhone's amazing features. So, go ahead and start crafting your own unique collection of stickers today.